Deputy Secretary General, Kenya for Makanjula's Association.
Hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro kaunti ya Nairobi nirio gikundi kia Makanjula na mamea a Tene marakinyanirie mari thutha wa riboti ya BBI.
National leadership and representatives from various parts of Kenya have thrown their weight to support BBI, peace and unity.
Matongoretio ni mutongoria wao Professor Nathan Kihara matareirie hari bata bunge cia county cietikira kuhitukia riboti ino kuona igukorwo umithio munene makiria kuri thirikari cia matuura iria ikuongererwo kigina gia kuhota gwikuria.
Reasons they support BBI is because the former councillors laid foundation on which devolution is being built on today, and the increase of that 5% finance to the counties will go an extra mile or miles or hundreds of miles in the development of the wards that will be also benefit from 5%.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ni moritie atongoria kuhunjia thayu na gwithema uteti ungirehe ngayukano guku makienda mutongoria wa bururi kuheo gitio kiria kimwagiriire.
So this team here is happy because we are the ones who named all these local authorities. We are the ones who handed over to the governors and others. We are the one who built even most of these houses you see here. And they are happy to see there will be more money, and especially MCAs who have not been getting money for their awards, that there will be a lot of development. So we can see that this country will be a different country. And when there is law changed to now unite tribes like Tanzania and others to say huyu ni ndugu, huyu ni dada, that is why we are happy to see a united country. We are focusing on future of our children. We are only talking about the future of our children, and that is why we are urging our people, please avoid politics. Let us build for a future. When we build for the future for our youth, then we shall retire peacefully.
Girifotera Gikuyu TV kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, nie nditikaga Sofia Awamshiri.